Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LACHELLETRENDS, and sis, in today's video I am doing another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this unit from Samsbeauty, and they sent over this unit right here. Another sensational unit. Y'all, I've been really into sensational lately, especially they Butta units. So yeah, girl, they never want to let you get in this unit. Okay, so okay, girl, she's looking very cute. Yes, she's looking very cute. Okay, so this is Sensationnel's Budding Unit 15, and it's in the color 1B. It says that this is virtually undetectable HD lace, wider parting ear-to-ear lace, safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 100% premium fiber. It says it does come pre-plucked, and it does come in other colors, blends with most skin tones, natural density hairline, and basically that's it. Let me show you the stock card, and then inside of the stock card just shows you the other colors and how their lace compares to other people's laces. And again, y'all, this is the unit. She is looking very gorgeous, like this deep wave type of feel. She feels really nice. This is the part. I'm not sure if it has baby hairs. I'm sure it does. I think I see them. But this is what the hairline is giving, and that part looks good. This is the inside. As you can see, it's a 13 by 4, and you have like very minimal space in the front right here, but decent, good enough. It has two combs, one on either side. As you can see, it is a breathable cap, and then you have a comb down here at the bottom along with the adjustable straps. So yeah, girl, she's looking good. Let's go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to put that powder all along the lace. So now that we have her on and situated, I'm going to go ahead and lay her down using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. And I'm going to spray along the hairline and then use my blow dryer to seal it in. So now I'm going back in with some more powder from that Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to place that all along the hairline. As you guys can see, my lace is a little white after cutting it. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that in better, and then I'm going to go back in and use some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray and spray along the hairline one more time, and this is just going to create the perfect melt. So now for styling, you guys already know that this is just a 5-inch deep parting space, so I'm not going to be able to do anything else but a middle part, but I am going to straighten her out just a little bit and make sure she's, you know, just straight as can be. And then I'm just going in with my wax stick, and this is just to allow it to lay down flatter. And then after I do that and get it to my liking, I'm going to go in using my hot comb and, you know, just start laying her down super flat. So now I'm going to pull the hair back so we can do these baby hairs, and I'm just going to pull some hair out on the side. I'm going to cut it, then I'm going to go in with my little flat iron to curl it, and after I do that, I'm going to lay them down using some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray. So now that the baby hairs are done, I want to touch up the front. So I'm going to go back in with some more wax from my wax stick. And this, again, you guys, is just to lay it down super flat. I love for my wigs to lay down flat in the front. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going back in with my hot comb just to, again, just get it to lay down flat. And then after I do all of that, I'm going to go in with some oil sheen. Y'all know how I love my oil sheen. This is just like my go-to with any synthetic wig, but I'm just putting that in my hand and placing that throughout the hair. This is going to give the hair some moisture, and just, girl, it's going to tame the flyaways. It's just going to make this wig look so much better. So I'm almost done with this unit, but I do want to go in with some more powder just to make it blend seamlessly, and I'm going to put it down the part, and then I'm going to put some in the parting spaces of my baby hair. Okay, girl, so this is what it's looking like. Sis, she's giving. The unit is definitely pretty. It's very long. I would say this is like maybe 32 inches, but I don't want to say it's 32 inches because I know Sensational did a 32-inch unit and they named it, they put the 32 inches in there, and I think I reviewed that maybe like last month or the month before. But yeah, it didn't say how long this was, but sis, it's giving long. Like, look how long it is. So I'm not sure, but girl, she's giving, and this is all of the hair pushed up to the front. Girl, she's giving. So let me put it to the back and turn around so you can see what it looks like. And then let me stand up. So yeah, girl, this unit is probably 32 inches, if not 30, but maybe 32 because it is fairly long. And let's push her all the way to the front. Girl, she is just giving. Okay, so anyways, this is a big head frilling unit. It fits perfectly on my head. It's a little snug, but it's not snug. Like, I don't even know if that makes sense. But I do give it a big head friendly pass because I didn't struggle to put it on or anything like that. The texture of this hair, sis, is just very soft. Like, girl, the hair is very soft. It kind of feels, at first I said it was like a deep wave, but it's not giving deep wave anymore. It's giving like coils. Like, if you coil your hair, you know, just do like this. That's what this hair is giving, like the texture and stuff. And I was trying to split it apart, but you can't really split it apart. But I mean, it looks cute like this. And then I was going to try to like wet it to give it that wet deep wave look, but girl, I was gonna do so much. But it's really cute, like the little coils or whatever. But the hair texture is very soft. It's not something that you would run your fingers through, just given the fact that it is like coiled hair. So if you do run your fingers through it, you'll just make it bigger and it'll probably get matted a little bit. But yeah, no shedding, no tangling. Again, y'all, I'm not doing anything to it as far as like running my fingers through it or trying to comb it, because this is not hair that you would necessarily comb, because again, it's coiled. So yeah, just very soft. Again, y'all, it's long hair. It is layered, if you can't tell. So you have your shorter pieces right here, and then it just, you know, it just layers all the way down. It's very, very pretty. The density on this is probably 150% density, just given the fact that it is thin, but it's not too thin. It's really just literally the perfect amount of hair on this unit, because it is long, and with longer units you don't want it to be too thick because it'll be hard to manage. But yeah, I think the density is perfect, because again, y'all, this is all of the hair pushed up to the front, and it's not even a lot of hair. But again, if you want to make it big, just comb it a little bit and it'll be big. But yeah, the lace melted nicely. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but in person, sis, we're melted. We are definitely melted. I did, as you see, put some more powder in the front and powder down the part just to make it, you know, blend seamlessly, and it looks really good to me. Like, girl, the only thing that I would say about this unit is that it doesn't lay as flat as some units. Just like, maybe I'm just, girl, when I say I was like geeked up about that Sensational Butta Unit 22, like it laid super flat, and that's not even a frontal. Like, it laid so flat. This one, you can feel the tracks right here. Like, you can definitely feel the tracks right here. It's like a lump. So when I was trying to lay it flat, you can just feel that lump, and it just doesn't lay as flat as I want it to. As well as in the front, you can feel that lump right there. As the Sensational Butta Unit 22, you couldn't. But I mean, it is what it is. I think Sensational Butta Unit 15 is a little older, so maybe that's why. But I mean, it is what it is. You can feel that lump, and it's not as flat as I would want it to be, but it's still giving, sis. It's definitely still cute, and I would wear this for like a vacation wig. Like, it wouldn't be an everyday wig just because I don't want it to get like nappy or whatever, but definitely a vacation wig. Put her on special occasion, like, sis, you're in there. But yeah, girl, I'll have this unit linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.